Hello world, and welcome to Stories TV. Today, we enter the vibrant and fascinating world of parrots, nature's rainbow geniuses. From the dense rainforests of South America to the sun-soaked islands of the Pacific, parrots dazzle with their brilliant colors, astonishing intelligence, and uncanny ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. But have you ever wondered, how do these incredible birds communicate with each other? Why are they considered some of the smartest creatures on Earth? And what secrets do they hold about survival, family, and adaptation in the wild? Join us as we uncover the untold story of parrots. Over 400 species of parrots exist worldwide, each with its unique charm and adaptations. Iconic species like the macaws, with their striking blue, yellow, and red plumage. The equally brilliant African greys, known for their intelligence and talking ability. The majestic cockatoos with their crest of feathers, the charming parakeets, and the brush-tipped lorikeets with their acrobatic feeding style. Among these, the macaws stand out, known for their longevity of 60–80 years in the wild. These birds often form lifelong bonds with their mates, and their squawks can carry over a mile through the rainforest, a testament to their powerful voices. From the vibrant plumage of a scarlet macaw to the soft hues of a budgerigar, parrots sport bright, iridescent feathers ranging from emerald greens to deep reds and vivid blues. These colors are not just beautiful, they play a role in attracting mates and establishing dominance. Their strong, curved beaks are like nature's nutcrackers, precise, strong, and elegant. These beaks are perfect for cracking open nuts, seeds, and fruits, allowing parrots to access the nutritious insides. Their zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, help them climb branches and grasp objects firmly. But it's the behavior of parrots that truly sets them apart. They are highly intelligent creatures capable of solving complex problems, remembering hundreds of words and mimicking human speech patterns. Some species, like the African greys, can recognize themselves in the mirror, a sign of high self-awareness. These birds can understand shapes, colors, and even simple arithmetic. For example, if shown 3 apples and then 1 apple taken away, an African grey parrot can correctly identify the remaining 2 apples. Parrots also exhibit play behavior, which may seem like just fun and games, but is actually a crucial part of learning essential survival skills. By imitating the actions of other birds, young parrots learn to forage, crack nuts, and explore their surroundings. It's like watching kids playing and learning at the same time. When it comes to communication, parrots are pros. They are well known for their ability to mimic sounds, including the human voice. This vocal mimicry is not just a random assortment of sounds, but a deliberate and fascinating way of communicating. Parrots use a combination of vocal mimicry and their own vocalizations to convey messages within their flocks. Squawks and calls help parrots maintain cohesion within their flock, especially during flight when visual signals are blocked. Each parrot species has its unique vocal repertoire, contributing to the cacophony of sounds that fill tropical forests and urban parks alike. Interestingly, parrots don't just parrot what they hear, they learn language contextually. An African grey parrot named Griffin, for instance, learned to ask for specific toys by name, demonstrating an understanding of the request embedded in the question, "Where's the ball?" This shows that parrots don't just repeat words, they grasp the meaning behind them. Parrots are found in a variety of habitats, from rainforests and savannas to mangroves and island ecosystems around the world. The Amazon Basin, Central Africa, Australia, New Guinea, and the Pacific Islands are hotspots for parrot diversity. Each species is adapted to its environment. Some, like the kakapo, specialize in feeding on the nectar and pollen of plants, while others, like the great coqui, are adept at cracking the hardest of nuts. Some parrots have even developed the unique habit of eating clay, which helps neutralize toxins in their diet. When it comes to their diet, parrots primarily eat seeds, nuts, fruits, flowers, and nectar. Some species, like the kakapo, are primarily herbivores, while others, like the Amazons, occasionally include insects in their diet. Parrots often feed in groups, which provides a sense of safety in numbers, reducing the risk of predation while also creating an atmosphere of learning. This group behavior allows younger or less experienced parrots to observe and mimic the foraging techniques of their elders. Parrots typically mate for life and often return to the same nesting site each breeding season. Nests can be found in tree cavities, cliff faces, or even hollow logs. Many species, such as the budgerigars, create platforms for their eggs using twigs and leaves. Both parents share incubation duties, and the chicks remain in the nest until they are fully feathered and able to fly. Young parrots spend considerable time with their parents, learning essential skills for survival. For example, in the case of macaws, the chicks stay with their parents for over a year, perfecting their flying and foraging skills. Over millions of years, parrots have evolved a remarkable set of adaptations. Their ability to mimic sounds and their intelligence are believed to have evolved to help them navigate their complex social structures and avoid predators. Their bright plumage serves as a signal for mating and species recognition. Their strong beaks and zygodactyl feet enhance their foraging efficiency, enabling them to crack open tough nuts and climb with ease. Parrots feature prominently in the myths, folklore, and art of various cultures, often symbolizing wisdom, intelligence, or the tropics. Their beauty and intelligence make them popular pets, although the pet trade has, in some cases, threatened wild parrot populations due to the illegal capture of these birds. Today, parrots face numerous threats, primarily habitat loss due to deforestation driven by agriculture and urbanization. The pet trade also poses a threat, with some species like the blue-throated macaw being pushed to the brink of extinction due to over-harvesting for the pet market. Climate change further exacerbates these issues, affecting both food sources and nesting sites. Conservation efforts involve establishing wildlife reserves, promoting sustainable agriculture, raising awareness about the impacts of the pet trade, and breeding endangered species in captivity with the goal of reintroducing them into the wild. Stories of conservation success have emerged, particularly in South America and Australia, where community-led initiatives have helped protect parrot habitats. Organizations like the Parrot Trust in the UK support on-the-ground conservation projects, ensuring that these vibrant birds continue to grace our skies and captivate our hearts. Parrots are more than just colorful birds. They are symbols of intelligence, adaptability, and the intricate beauty of nature. Their songs remind us of the importance of communication. Their bonds teach us about loyalty, and their survival against all odds inspires awe. Protecting parrots means preserving vibrant ecosystems and the stories of countless creatures that share this planet. Thank you for exploring the incredible world of parrots with Stories TV. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And keep discovering the wonders of nature with us, Stories TV.